Meditation practice is all about expanding our conscious mind and reprogramming our subconscious mind. According to research, 95% of the time, we live off the projections from our subconscious habits, perceptions, beliefs. Science says that our thoughts and feelings create our physical reality. Our thoughts and feelings are nothing but the subconscious projections of those limiting beliefs, limiting perceptions, and habits. When we regularly meditate, we reprogram those limiting beliefs into highly supporting and empowering beliefs. We expand our consciousness. We increase our thought process into more positive and miraculous.
After doing this meditation, too much of changes in my life. Now I am feeling stress. It gives calmness and relax my mind.
Meditation helps us in giving so much positive approach in life. The focus of doing things has increased a lot, and the concentration has also increased a lot.
Initially, I've had a lot of anger issues. I did not have any patience in me. Best thing that has happened to me with this meditation is that I have that willpower now.
After meditation, things started changing, and I started gaining some confidence to face the world.
Meditation is one of the techniques which helps us to improve our confidence levels. Confidence plays an important role at each and every step in our life to take the decisions. The decision could be either into our studies or into our job.
So meditation exactly helps us in channelizing and focusing our energy on the right kind of goals, on the right kind of area, so that we can reach to our goals and targets, and thereby bringing a lot of clarity into our day-to-day life and activities.
Based on my own experience, I can assure you that you'll find this simple method of meditation to be very effective and powerful in changing your life wonderfully.
We are experiencing the difference, the difference it makes to us. If we ourselves can feel it, I can imagine the younger generation in this satsang. There are any number of people who are just upcoming people, they're all budding people, and for them it's going to be a total transformation.
And when youngsters are taking meditation very early on in that age, with students, youth, and practice regularly, they operate with a miraculous mind and then architect a beautiful life for themselves.